Hi, my name is Jared Wright with Absolute Mathematics, and this coming fall I'll be offering an online pre-algebra class. So this class is going to be very similar to a typical in-person class. All students will receive a grade at the end of the class, as well as homework, tests, and quizzes. I'll be using Google Classroom to host the class, and I'll be providing the curriculum from Khan Academy, so there won't be any need to purchase a textbook. All my lectures are going to be recorded and provided for all the students. So whether you're in class or if you happen to miss, you'll always be able to review the lecture for future reference. Each week I'll be offering an hour of virtual office hours for students who need extra help. And if anyone would like to use my virtual one-on-one tutoring, I'll be offering a discount. Registration is open now until August 23rd. So if you're interested in this class, please check the description for more information as well as to register. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, stay positive.